In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields to Zoho CRM. We're going to walk through creating a new layout and adding the exact fields your team needs, so your CRM fits your process instead of the other way around. Custom fields help you capture unique data points, while a new layout lets you organize those fields cleanly without disrupting your existing setup. Start by opening Zoho CRM and heading to the Home area. Make sure you're signed in with permissions to customize modules. If you don't see the settings options in the next step, you may need admin access. Look to the top right of the screen and click the gear icon. This opens the setup area where all customization lives. From here, choose Modules and Fields. This section controls the structure of your CRM, what records exist, what information they store, and how those details are arranged on the page. Now select the module you want to customize. Contacts is a common example, but the same process works for leads, accounts, deals, and others. Choosing the right module ensures your new fields appear exactly where users will need them. Next, click Create New Layout. Creating a layout is a best practice because it keeps your changes organized and separate from the default. It also makes it easier to roll out improvements gradually. You'll be taken to a drag-and-drop canvas where you can design how the form looks. Drag and drop the desired field types onto the layout. You'll see options like single-line text, numbers, dates, pick lists, checkboxes, lookups, and more. As you place each field, give it a clear label users will understand. Consider whether the field should be required, whether it needs a default value, and which section it belongs in so the page is easy to scan. Keep data types accurate. Use numbers for amounts, dates for timelines, and pick lists when you want consistent choices. This helps with reporting and prevents messy data down the line. When your layout looks good, click Save. If this is a new layout, Zoho will prompt you to name it. Enter a descriptive name that reflects the module and purpose, something your team will recognize instantly, and keep your naming consistent with other layouts you may have. Finally, click Save again to confirm. Your new layout is now created with the custom fields you added, ready to be used based on how your organization manages records. That's all it takes to add custom fields in a clean, structured way. Plan your fields, organize them with a dedicated layout, and save with a clear name so your team can adopt it smoothly.